Good morning. Welcome back to Slim's Automotive Repair. Today we have a conundrum. We have a 2019 Chevrolet pickup truck, and as you can see, we have two of them here. The problem that I'm having is the instrument cluster. When you go to start it up, a lot of you are going to have this problem. Maybe you do. I could not find a fix anywhere. As you can see, I've got this entire dashboard tore apart looking. And my issue with it is when you start it up, your information center works, but when you start it up, none of your gauges work. You see the tachometer still stuck there. Everything is flatlined on zero, and in the information, you can see a lot of codes: theft deterrent, and let's hit the dismiss, side detection, and it's just going to scroll through all of these different um, setups. Man, if I could find that dismiss button, it would be okay. But either way, yep, service tire, all these different things are going to pop on up. The cluster's not working, gauge is not working, all of that. The issue, I've looked through all data, online, forums, everywhere I could. I pulled the cluster out of this white one because it was a good known unit, put it in this one, and nothing. So just picking and probing and prodding, I come over to here to find me some power. And I ended up wiggling. This is your fuse panel in the passenger side door of the vehicle. And I put my test light on this number 10 fuse that's supposed to have power all the time with the ignition on. It was losing power, so what I did is I pulled this fuse panel out and I swapped it right here with a known good unit out of that same white truck over there that I'm using as a donor vehicle for this experiment. And that was it. I swapped it, and easy peasy, man. It went ahead and fired up. All the gauges work. Everything works. No programming needed. The only tools that you're going to need to pull off this feat is just a probe, so you can, pop these up, and something to push these tabs in so you can lift these handles. Flathead screwdriver will work just fine. A pair of needle nose pliers, whatever you got on hand, just to pop these up, and then you're going to pull it out just like that. That's it, just one little tab. And then you're going to have one connector here on the back. You pull that out, this whole unit's going to go ahead and come out. It'll look like this here on the floorboard. Swap it out, put it in. Now I will say, you can probably get them from the scrapyard dealership. They should all be universal the same. What I would go ahead and do though is check your fuse box and put them side by side, just like that, and make sure all the fuses are in the same location. Nothing's missing. You got some on the back right here too. Just make sure everything's good to go. Pop it in, man. Plug that thing up, hit the start button, and cruise on down the road. If you find this helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Y'all take care of yourselves and each other. I appreciate you watching.